Okay, video 2. Where do we find the basil? All right, you walk along this tarp that you've walked many times. Over there is the flower section. You're gonna keep walking back to where the green beans were last week. And right next door to the green beans is a little patch of basil for you guys to pick from. So, you walk across that tarp, watch out for the uneven ground, and you'll come over here, and you'll be like, whoa, where'd the beans go? They're totally gone. And arugula planted in their place. But if you come right next door, basil. I'm gonna just show you, when you pick the basil, you wanna come down on the stem and you pick it right there. Okay? Kind of like you do with the flowers. So you're leaving some to bloom again, okay? So like, right there. Okay, and there's a whole section of it here. Smells good. Okay, from the basil, you're gonna walk along here to the back of the flower section where the sunflowers are. You're gonna go to a new part of the field you've never been to. That's even more uneven ground than the other parts. Okay, you're gonna walk along here. This is where all our squash and cucumbers came from. This is where our carrots for the fall are gonna come from. And right here is a sign that says new base, which means clouds. Okay, so this is where it's a little bit of a treacherous walk. You can step on the plastic here. Just want to be careful of the drip. Don't step on that. Don't step on the squash. There's a few jalapeno peppers here, which you are welcome to pick. And right over here are the tomatillos, which you can take as much as you like. And they go all the way about halfway down this row. Then if you turn back around, head back out, again being careful not to step on the drip. Or that butternut squash you might eat later. You're gonna see cherry tomatoes all along these 2 rows. They're the first 2 rows. When you come to the new base sign, it's the first 2 rows. And you can pick some cherry tomatoes. Okay, I hope this is helpful. See you soon.